Binding an input's value and listening for its change event separately is tedious and easy to get wrong. In this video you'll use v-model to keep a real variable and a real form input perfectly in sync, both directions, automatically. Name starts as a real empty string, it'll genuinely fill in as you type. v-model keeps the input and the name ref perfectly synced, typing here genuinely updates the paragraph. On a checkbox, v-model syncs a real boolean instead of a string. .number converts the synced value to a real JavaScript number, not a string of digits. .trim automatically strips real leading and trailing white space from the synced value. A plain input's value lives only in the DOM, disconnected from your app's real state. v-model closes that loop, keeping a real variable and the input's real value in sync automatically, no manual event listeners required. v-model is two-way binding, it sets the input's value and updates your data on every change. The same v-model syntax adapts to the element, string on text inputs, boolean on checkboxes. Modifiers like .trim and .number adjust how the synced value gets processed. Build a small form with two v-model inputs, one text and one checkbox, and display both values live. Next, binding class and style attributes so your UI reacts visually to real state.